To maximize the potential for your welding project and add ideas to sell like a hotcake, it's essential to promote your work effectively. Utilize social media platforms, craft fairs, and the online marketplace to showcase your creation and reach your potential buyers. In this video we are going to show you some amazing welding project for a beginner that will inspire you and that will tell you how to reduce your carbon footprints, building a strong online presence and engaging with the potential customer through captivating photographs, informative description, and the regular update will establish your brand and attract your buyers. By embarking on welding project and art ideas from scratch, you can tap into a market that appreciate craftsmanship and the uniqueness. Metal wall art, custom furniture, garden sculptures, jewelry, personalized signage, or the home decor item are just a few examples of projects that have the potential to sell exceptionally well. Remember to stay true to your creative vision, adapt to the market trends, and effectively promote your work with a dedication, skills, and a touch of entrepreneurial spirits. Your welding creation can become a hot cake in the market, and you will be able to earn a handsome amount of money. Passion for outdoor spaces, welding garden sculpture, decorative element can be a successful niche. Sculpture of animals, flowers, and the abstract shapes can enhance the visual appeal of a garden, patio, and even a public spaces. Experimenting with the different metals such as copper, stainless steel, you can add a unique touch to your creation. Additionally, consider crafting functional items like planters, trestles, or a fire pit to cater to the wide range of potential buyers. Beyond the aforementioned project, custom signage of the personalized home decor item are in high demand. Welding metal sign with the codes, house numbers, family names can add a personal touch to any space. Additionally, creating a custom fireplace, candle holder, or a wine rack can cater to the specific interior design preferences, make them a highly desirable. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my video, and keep. Here are some benefits of welding project scrap. Welding project using scrap material have several benefits including cost saving. Welding project using scrap material can be a cost-effective way to complete a project. Scrap metal are often less expensive than a new material and use them, and it can help to reduce overall project cost. Welding projects using scrap metal can be environmental friendly, sustainable because they reduce the amount of waste and end up in the landfill. By repurposing scrap metal art, you can reduce your environmental impact and promote the sustainability. Welding project using scrap metal can be an opportunity to exercise creativity and the innovation. By using material that are not typically used in welding project, you can create a unique and interesting design. Welding project using scrap metal can be an opportunity to develop your welding skill, working with a variety of materials and shapes, and can be challenging our welding abilities and help up with your development skills. Welding project using scrap can be opportunities to create a customer project that fit your
specific needs. By using scrap metal, you can create one of kind project that are trailed to your requirements. Overall, welding project using scrap metal can be effective and the cost effective, environmentally effective, sustainable, and it will reduce your carbon footprints, and it will also help you to utilize your scrap in a better way. Here is it.
Here we are back again. Thanks for being here and do subscribe our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some welding projects for beginner, scrap metal arts, upcycle metal, and metal do-it-by-yourself decoration projects. So let's get started. Welding is a fascinating and rewarding skill to learn. Not only does it give you a ability to repair and modify metal objects, but it also opens up a world of creative possibilities, from scrap metal art to upcycling metal for do-it-by-yourself decoration item. There are endless welding projects for beginner to explore. In this video, we will explore some beginner-friendly welding projects that are perfect for those just starting out in the world of welding. If you are looking to add some personality and charm to your garden, welded garden art is an excellent beginner welding project. Start by gathering some scrap metal piece of varying size and the shapes. These could be the old tool, machine part, or even discarded metal furniture. Decide on the design you want to create. For example, you could make a metal flower or a birdhouse or whimsical garden sculpture. Once you have your design in mind, use a welder to join the pieces of scrap metal together. Welding garden art is an excellent project for a beginner because it allows you to experiment with different welding techniques while creating something fun and unique. The bookends are practical and stylish addition to any bookshelves. However, instead of buying bookend from a store, why not make your own using upcycled metal? For this project, you will need two pieces of metal that are roughly the same size and the shapes. These could be the old metal sign, license plate, or even piece of scrap metal from an old car. Use a welder to join two pieces of metal together at 90-degree angle. Once you have welded a piece together, you can add any finishing touch, such as painting or sanding, to create a polished look. Metal wall art is a trendy and eye-catching way to add some personality to your home decor. To create your own metal wall, start by gathering a variety of scrap metal pieces. This could be anything from old bike chains to metal cutlery. Next, arrange the pieces of scrap metal into a design that appeals to you. For example, you could create a metal tree, a city skyline, or an abstract design. Once you have arranged the pieces of scrap metal, use a welder to join them together. Metal wall art is a great welding project for a beginner because it allows you to experiment with different welding techniques while creating something that is both beautiful and functional. Metal planters are a stylish and practical addition to any home and the garden. To make your own metal planter, Start by gathering some scrap metal pieces. These could be old metal buckets, pots, and even piece of scrap metal from your old car. Next, use a welder to join the pieces of scrap metal together to create a sturdy and the durable planter. Once you have created your metal planter, you can add a finishing touch such as painting or sanding to create a polished look. Metal planters are an excellent welding project for a beginner because they allow you to experiment with different welding techniques while creating something that is both functional and beautiful. If you are looking for a unique and a personalized piece of jewelry, why not make your own using metal? For this project, you will need some scrap metal piece such as old silver or metal wire. Next, use a welder to join the pieces of scrap metal together to create your desired design. Once you have created your metal jewelry, you can add any finishes and touch such as polishing or adding stone or beads. Metal jewelry is a fun and rewarding welding project for beginner because it's allow you to create something that is both stylish and the functional. In conclusion, welding is a fascinating skill that will allow you to explore your thinking in usable ways. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Of art from scratch can be an incredibly rewarding endeavor. Not only does it allow you to express your creativity and the craftsmanship, but it also present an opportunity to generate income by selling your unique creation. In this video, we will explore a variety of welding projects and art ideas that have the potential to sell like a hotcake. Thanks for being here. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you some amazing welding projects and the art ideas from scrap that will sell like a hotcake, and you can earn a handsome amount from these projects. So let's get started. One popular welding project that never goes out of style is a metal wall art. Metal wall art pieces can range from abstract design to intricate pattern, provide versatile canvas for your creativity. Consider incorporating nature-inspired elements like tree, leaves, and the animals, or option for modern and the minimalist design to cater to a different taste. By experimenting with different texture, finishes, and colors, you can produce one of a kind piece that will captive buyers. And other luxury welding project is the creation of custom furniture and the decor pieces. With the rise of industrial and the rustic interior design trends, there is a growing demand for furniture pieces that incorporate metal enchant, welding together steel frame for coffee tables, chairs, or the bookshelves, and pairing them with the reclaimed wood or the glass tops can result in a stunning and sought after pieces. The combination of durability, functionality, and the aesthetic make custom furniture and the lucrative market to explore. For those with the passion for outdoor spaces, welding gardens, sculptures, and the decorative element can be a profitable niche. Sculpture of flowers, animals, or the abstract shapes can enhance the visual appeal of garden, patio, and even the public space.